Assalamualaikum and greetings. Welcome to our final project ICT450, which is Uniquex.Code. So, Uniquex.Code comprised of four major people. Our project manager, Muhammad Arif, which responsible for overseeing day-to-day operation. He also assigns specific tasks to individual team members to achieve project objective. And his assistant, which is Muhammad Afif Dzufairi. His role is to gather project related information and compile it into comprehensive documentation, which is will produce the final report. Me myself, Muhammad Afiq Haikal, and my other friends, which is Muhammad Afiq Arif, we are the team members. Our role, which is to execute assigned tasks given by the project manager and to resolve any challenges during task execution by collaborating with team members. We also deliver and develop any specific assignment which has been given by our project manager. So, our company background. Uniquex.Code is a prominent player in the online clothing retail sector, known for its diverse and trend-setting collection worldwide. The company has established itself with a vision to redefine online shopping, incorporating cutting-edge technology for efficient operation. Central to its success, it is a sophisticated database system that manages employee information, streamlining HR process. The system also facilitates seamless inventory and sales management, ensuring customer access the latest fashion trends while optimizing stock levels. Our financial transactions are efficiently processed. It also will contributing to accurate accounting. The normalized database architecture also ensure data integrity, minimize redundancy, and support scalable growth. As Uniquex.Code continue to prioritize innovation and customer satisfaction, its integrated database remains a crucial element, enabling a unique and delightful shopping experience for its customer. Now I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Afif bin Tarmizi. I will present the problem statement for our company is Uniquex.Code online shopping system. Firstly, for the problem statement is inefficient employee management. First, the challenge is current HR, human resource process, manual and time consuming, impacting workforce productivity. The impact is hindered onboarding, employee record management, and performance tracking. And for the solution, we will implement an automated employee management system for streamline HR operation. The second problem is inventory and stock management challenge. First challenge is real-time inventory tracking is lacking, leading to difficulties in product availability update. The impact is inefficiency in restocking and updating the online catalog promptly. The solution is enhanced inventory management capabilities for agile and accurate tracking of product availability. And the third is financial transaction complexities. The challenge is manual handling of attendance record, deduction, and overtime payment result in error and delays. Impact is inaccurate in financial reporting and financial management complex. The solution is implement and integrate system to automate and streamline financial transaction for accuracy and efficiency. The last problem is data integrity and scalability concern. The challenge is current database lack data integrity and scalability for Uniquex dynamic business. Impact is redundancy issues and limitation in adapting to business growth. The solution is modernize the database with normalized architecture to ensure data integrity and provide scalability for future growth for our uh, online shopping system.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Arif bin Muhammad Idris and I will be presenting about the objective project and ERD for this database system. So the purpose of Uniquex.Buddies system is automate the management of information in the clothing online service, making it more efficient and error-free for company Uniquex.co. The objective are first is to gather and analyze the requirements from Uniquex.co. Second, to design an ERD based on requirement in number 1. And the third is to develop a closing store database system in Microsoft Access. So the key highlights in this project is automation and collaborative requirement analysis. Basically, the Uniquex.Buddies system automates information management, reducing manual errors and enhancing operational efficiency for Uniquex.co. The second one is ERD visualization. So the ERD provides a visual representation of the data structure, showcasing how different entities within the system are related. This sides in a clearer comprehension of the system architecture. The third one is the Microsoft Access implementation. So the Microsoft Access implementation is the closing store database system is implemented using Microsoft Access, a versatile and widely used database management tool. So the benefits that we can get is the number one is the efficiency that we can gain. So basically the automation leads to increased efficiency, allowing Uniquex.co to streamline processes and reduce the likelihood of errors. The second one is data organization. Database system ensure orderly storage and retrieval of information, contributing to a well organized and easily manageable system. And lastly is the scalability. The system is designed to scalable, accommodation future growth and change in Uniquex.co requirements. So this is the ERD for this database system. So basically, as you can see, there are many entities and attributes, but I'm just gonna skip to the relationship. So basically, for this ERD, the employee entity is related to the permission, attendance and payments entity through the employee ID. The permission entity is related to the employee entity through the employee ID. The attendance entity is related to the employee entity through the employee ID. And lastly, the payment entity is related to the employee entity through the employee ID. So basically, this ERD represents a system for managing employee information, including attendance, permission, and payment. The employee entity is the central entity, and it is related to others entity through the employee ID. The permission, attendance, and payment entities provide detailed information about each employee permission, attendance, and payment. The employee registration entity provides basic information about each employee. So the second one, as you can see, there is another ERD for this system. So for this So the relationship for this ERD is the educational status entity is related to the edu entity through the educational level attribute. The others entity is related to the job app entity through the education level attribute. The shoes entity is related to the job app entity through the payment attribute. The jobs entity is related to the work experience entity through the primary key attribute. And lastly, the clothes entity is related to the job app entity through the payment attribute. So in summary, this ERD represents a system for managing job applications, education, other education, shoes, jobs, work experience, and clothes. The job entity is the central entity, and it is related to the others entity through the educational level, payment, and work experience attributes. That's all from me.
My previous friend's recording. Now I will be presenting about our application. Firstly, if we open the database, we'll be prompted by the starting page first, and we will click the open shop database. Then we'll be direct to the login page. And for the normal user, they can just click the explore our shop button here. And for the admin, we can log in into the application using username ICT450 and using password 1234. And if we click the login button, we will be able to see the open shop database button. That if we click, we will be direct inside our shop database. And here you can see that there are many options that can be clicked and edited by the shop admin. For example, if we want to register new users, we can just click the employee registration and we can just add as many users as we want, and also their emergency contact can be seen here. Next, we can also see the employer list in our shop. For example, this is the employer list in our database. Also with their respective photos. We also can see the list of the employee address based on their registration form, as can be seen here. User can also put in their attendance into the shop database here at this section. And this is the list for the payment for each employee salary. And this is for the admin to add any new product into our online shop. As can be, if they click accessories, they can add new item into the database. And next we will move to the query. For example, here is the query for selecting a cloth that it will be select cloth ID and the cloth name if the clothes price is bigger than 100. So if we see the output, it will choose just these two based on the closest table 3 and 4. And next we will see employee registration query is calculating sum from payment as total payment from the employee registration. As we can see here, the total payment for each employee is here. Then if we input the query, it will calculate all the payment in the registration table. Next, in the shoes query, we want to select shoes when shoes ID equal to 3. So if we see in the shoes table, the shoes ID equal to 3 is this one. Then if we open the query output, we show the number 3. So that's all from me. Thank you.